Apple MacBook Pro 16.2 inches with Liquid Retina XDR display, M2 Max chip with 12-core CPU and 38-core GPU, 96GB memory, 8TB SSD, space gray price, $6,499. Brand, Apple, screen size, 16.2 inches, hard disk size, 8TB, CPU model, Apple M2 Max, RAM memory installed size, 96GB. Operating system, macOS 10.14 Mojave, special feature, backlit keyboard, graphics card description, integrated. CPU speed, 3.5 GHz, item weight, 8.4 pounds. Mover. Maker. Boundary breaker. Supercharged by M2 Max, MacBook Pro takes its power and efficiency further than ever. It delivers exceptional performance whether it's plugged in or not, and now has even longer battery life. Combined with a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display and all the ports you need, this is a pro laptop without equal. Supercharged by 12-core CPU up to 38-core GPU up to 96GB unified memory 400GB per second memory bandwidth, introducing the next generation of Apple Silicon for pros. The extraordinary M2 Max, the most powerful and efficient chip ever in a pro laptop. New Pro chips. Scaling up the M2 architecture, M2 Max deliver a next-generation CPU and GPU designed around high-bandwidth unified memory. Along with immensely capable media engines, these Pro chips feature the faster 16-core neural engine, and the latest Secure Enclave from M2.M2 MaxM2 Max goes even further. With up to 96GB of unified memory, M2 Max shatters the limits of graphics memory in a laptop. It's packed with a staggering 67 billion transistors, 10 billion more than M1 Max and over 3 times more than M2. And it delivers 4 times that of M2 Max chip, up to 96GB unified memory, 400GB per second memory bandwidth, better and better. M2 Max CPUs leverage additional performance cores and efficiency cores, up to 12 CPU cores total.